Hello. You are on the Lingolands channel. We invite you to explore the colors. 1. Red. For example, an apple can be red. 2. Blue. For example, the water in a swimming pool can be blue. 3. Yellow. For example, sunflowers can be yellow. 4. Green. For example, tree leaves are often green. 5. White. For example, snow can be white. 6. Black. For example, the night sky can be black. 7. Pink. For example, a peony flower can be pink. 8. Purple. For example, a purple lilac. 9. Orange. For example, an orange can be orange. 10. Brown. For example, tree bark is brown. 11. Gray. For example, this is a gray elephant. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.